In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an entire Google Slides presentation into another slide deck quickly and easily. This method will save you time and effort, especially if you're working on multiple projects or need to reuse content. To begin, open your web browser and head over to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, log into your Google account using the button at the top right. Once signed in, you'll be taken to the Google Slides homepage, where all your presentations are stored. Now you'll need to decide where you want to copy your slides. You can either start a brand new blank presentation or select one of the ready-made templates. This will serve as the destination for your copied slides. With your new slide deck open, go to the menu bar at the top and click on Feel. From the drop-down menu, choose Make a Copy. You'll see several options. Select Entire Presentation. This ensures that every slide, along with all the formatting and content, is duplicated into your new file. At this stage, you'll be prompted to name your new presentation and select a location in your Google Drive. Taking a moment to organize it properly will make it much easier to find later. And that's it. You've successfully copied an entire Google Slides presentation into a new one. This process is fast, simple, and extremely useful when you need to create multiple versions, share content with others, or just keep backups of your work. Mastering small techniques like this can greatly improve your workflow and make your presentations more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.